Today I'm going to show you how to make banana and chocolate chip oat bars. You will need 2 bananas, 2 tablespoons of milk, 150 grams of porridge oats and 100 grams of chocolate chips. So firstly you want to mash your bananas. And then to your porridge oats you want to add the mashed banana and give this a really good mix. Then add your milk and mix in. And then finally add the chocolate chips and mix until everything's well combined and the chocolate chips are well distributed. Then pre-line a baking tray with baking paper. Mine was 7 inches squared or 18 centimetres squared. And then you want to add your mixture in, spreading evenly and just pushing down on the top. And then pop into a preheated oven at gas mark 6, 200 degrees centigrade or 180 fan assisted for 25 to 30 minutes until it starts to go golden. And there you have it. That's how you make banana chocolate chip oat bars.